Well, just for context, March 6th, the deadline expired for SBI to furnish electoral bond details. Now, what's important is that just a couple of days ahead of that, the SBI on March 4th had filed an application seeking an extension of time till June 30th, which effectively is after the Lok Sabha elections. And that is the main concern that has been flagged by ADR, or Association for Democratic Reforms. ADR was the lead petitioner in this case, and they've raised a huge concern, citing contempt of court by the SBI. ADR is arguing that this petition by the SBI is malified, is in willful defiance of the Supreme Court judgment, which had asked for disclosure of information. Importantly, the ADR is essentially arguing that SBI's application was tactfully filed at the very last minute, which would leave the court no option but to provide that extension, and that this is deliberately designed to defeat the voters' right to know. The ADR in its application says that publicly available information indicates that there is a unique serial number associated with every electoral bond, that courtesy this unique serial number, whenever required, SBI can seek information that these bonds are traceable, and that this exercise that has been painted by SBI, that there is a laborious effort that needs to be put in for tracing this information, is entirely flawed and false information being placed before the apex court. Not just that, ADR continues to argue that it is inconceivable that SBI, which boasts of over 2.6 lakh employees, is unable to complete this exercise within the 3-week period that was allowed by the apex court. And on the back of that, ADR saying that there is urgent intervention required by the apex court to ensure that the information is disclosed before the upcoming Lok Sabha elections, and that voters are able to exercise their right to know, their right to information. This application, along with the SBI application, is expected to come up before the apex court on March 11th.